To book a trial or single lesson, please choose one of our available lesson options. We currently offer German for beginners, conversation classes, and business German. On the product page, you will find the links to the trial lesson and single lesson. For the single lesson, please choose this link. And for the trial lesson, please choose this link. On the booking page, you find all available lesson slots in your time zone. You do not have to convert your time to German time. The lesson slots are already shown in your time zone. Please choose the day you want to have the lesson at, for example, a Saturday, and choose any of the available slots. Continue. Check the date and time and fill in the form. Then continue to check out. If you have a coupon code, please enter it here and then proceed to check out. You will need to add your billing address at the checkout page. Please then choose how you want to pay. We accept payments via PayPal and WeChat Pay. Please read and agree to the terms and conditions and our privacy policy, and then proceed to the payment options. If you choose WeChat Pay, the QR code will shown after pressing the button Proceed to Checkout, and if you choose PayPal, you will be connected to PayPal. If you have further questions, please contact us at letstalk@magicgerman.net. Thank you for booking with us.